What's up everyone, hope you are doing great today. I had a few requests to make a video about glue pulling, so this video is actually a glue pulling before and after video that will lead into the next one that will be more of a show and explain dent repair using a glue pulling technique. Before we get started on this one, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't already. Alright, let's get to PDR. The first video you will see it's a badly damaged right roof rail on an Opel car. If I had to put a number on this rail, it has to head over 200 dents. Using a special dent removal technique, which is called glue pulling, I fixed this rail. For this PDR repair, I use the following tools: TD-Tabs slide hammer, Kiko dead center tabs and gangrene tabs, special black glue that I get from Europe, a tap down and a blending hammer. All of these tools are all professional PDR tools. So this is the after video. As you can see, the rail came out great. I have spent only 2 hours on this rail doing glue pulling. In my next video, I will explain glue pulling in more detail. Make sure you don't miss it, and make sure you comment down below and tell me if there is anything special you would like to know about glue pulling. See you on the next one.